So basically, this is the model that I came up with. Where is the text to all? Call it the Silver Surfer model. Why? No fucking idea, but it sounds cool. So you have your liquidity sweep, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour highs and lows. Recent high and low is gonna net you the most. Reaction, high time frame imbalance of some sort. It's usually gonna be a fair value gap, but old block is good. Oh, don't mind my spelling. This keyboard is a little silly to use sometimes. Okay, number 3 is, I'm pretty sure, displacement out, aka good reaction. So you want to have this displacement out before you take the trade. It's kind of like, I mean, you're not absolutely top ticking the whole move, but you're getting pretty much close to it. I like to have it because it kind of gives me peace of mind where I'm like, okay, we're actually getting reaction rather than just entering blind. And then 4th one is SMT. You do not take the trade unless there's SMT. And you're gonna be like, Beta, why can't I take a trade if there's no SMT? Because you're gonna get fucking, half the time people don't take a trade with SMT. They usually lose. SMT is like the biggest confluence you can have. Literally, you can enter off SMT and that's it. Like you get a liquidity sweep like right here. Hold on, literally in front of our face. No, maybe not. Maybe that's not SMT. There has to be SMT here somewhere. Well, this is on the 5 minute. That's why. Let's see. See if there's SMT here. Yeah, there is. Bro, literally look at this shit. This is your holy grail. SMT right there. I'm just blindly entering. TP at the high. Just fucking rips to it. Like, it's insane, bro. Especially higher time frame SMT is goated as well. But anyways, this is the model. For finding entry wise, let's make sure there's that liquidity sweep of recent highs. I can't even spell, bro. What? Yeah, make sure there's liquidity sweep, the reaction out of it. If you're not waiting for a reaction, you're a silly goober and you're probably gonna get fucked the whole time, so don't fucking do that. Displacement out, literally. Just wait, bro. Just wait. That's all you have to just wait. Just wait. That's it. So we wait. Boom, we have an SMT. Oh, and then I can't even opposing? I don't know. But target liquidity, that's your low-hanging fruit, right? Okay. Boom. This is a whole model. You take this shit and get rich, okay? Take a picture of it, do whatever you... Dude, my spelling is so ass. Oh my. Okay. I think that's good. I think so. Take a screenshot, do whatever you need to do. This is the model I've used for a really long time, and the shit is fire. Add extra confluence, midnight and daily open. When you're above and like, shit, I have to, let me see if I can figure this out. Like when you're above midnight open and daily open, this doesn't always happen, but you're usually in discount. So like, for example, you would short right here, and then you would target midnight open. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Yeah, see? So usually, sometimes, oh no, fuck, I got rid of it. Usually, sometimes it works out that way, but it doesn't always work. Like, just like everything in trading, like right here, I mean, technically it does, but it doesn't always happen in New York, you know? But we test daily open, we test midnight open a lot. It's good to find your, like, basically good to find your daily bias. Usually if we're trading above it, I'm usually bearish. Usually if we're below it, I'm bullish. Because, like, right here, you get the daily open midnight. We short, boom. We're below it, looking for longs. You target daily open, and boom, would hit overnight. But anyways, yeah, this is the model. Where did it go? Did I lose it again? Bleh. Where did it go? Oh, there we go. Okay, so take a screenshot of it. We're gonna leave it up there. Whatever. Let's go to a random day, like Tuesday. You can find this model between 9 through 10 and I think it's 10 through 11. So boom, right here. We're coming down. We're in a BPR. I'm already expecting us to go higher. Get in a We don't have an SMT, so gonna wait for an SMT to be put in, which happens literally right there as soon as I say it. Inverse fair value gap. Sure. Take a stab at it. Target London high. Fucking banger. Stop loss wise, it's really up to you. The community I've been in for a while, it's like down here. I told you to have 10 point. Usually people put it down here. It just depends how much you're willing to risk and everything like that. Even, like, we'll even target midnight just because I said so. But like, as of right here, you know, I usually like putting it under imbalances. So there's a rejection block right here. So there's a 50% of rejection block. I would have my stop loss right here. And then it's a banger. Boom, boom. Oh, just kidding. We might get fucked. Yeah, we get fucked. But the whole point is take your entry right there. Target London high or whatever you want to target. Banger. Catch a big point move. On to Wednesday. Fuck it. So we're just going to 9:30. We're just going to market open. So we already have our liquidity sweep from the previous hour. Mark out your imbalances and shit. Get enough. No SMT, so I don't wanna. What the hell is this? No SMT, so I'm not gonna take this. And there's this high time frame gap right here too. PO3 as well. Yeah, we look like we're gonna be bullish as well. So let's see. Recent highs and lows would be here. Probably on the 15 minutes as well. Yeah. Would be these lows that we're looking to get taken. Yeah. Okay, we tapped into the gap. I'll give you $20 if there's SMT. Oh, would you look at that? There was an SMT at the bottom. SMT, we're retracing to a... Yeah, fucking long that shit, bro. Fucking long that shit. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. I'll target that high. Banger. Not even sure there was drawdown on that. You had 2.2 and a half drawdown. You would have had 75 RIR. Listen, people are going to tell you that you can't have a mechanical model. You have to have all these confluences. That's bullshit. Somebody like myself sucks at having all these confluences, right? Because you're like, oh, worry about that, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? A lot going on here. But in terms of bias, if you get this in the right direction, especially after 10, like I'll even show you the 10 o'clock hour, right? Okay, we have this 5 minute, we have this 5 minute. See which one we want to respect. Probably the first one right now. This one, in a rejection block, we have SMT again. Try along, break even here. Oh, just kidding. We get break even and then we fucking rip to the moon. But yeah, trade right there. If I didn't go break even, would have hit. Boom. Even the 15 minute. Should have watched that 15 minute. Usually when you're taking trades off the PO3 of the or when the manipulation of the candle, you usually want to wait for the 15 minute gap to open because that's usually what it's looking for. So we mark out this 15 minute gap right here. Probably hit CE of that. Go down to we're accumulating as well, so this is a PO3. Wait for it to hit the CE, if it ever does. Okay, well, it was close. But anyways, we came into this gap. You would have took your entry, like right here, because you wait for the reaction. Target whatever you wanted to target. And then, well, we'll see you later. Because now you're a millionaire. Because this random kid with 0 subscribers just gave you the fucking sauce of a lifetime. How I know this? I don't know. Why I know this? I don't know. But you should use it. This indicator is actually goated as well, so you should use that. But like, bro. Come on, bro. This finna be you. Trust. Your most high probability setup with this is gonna be before market open. Like, if you can position yourself before market open, this shit is actually goated as fuck, right? So, boom, we're coming into the day here. Got this big hourly fair value gap. 4 hour fair value gap. Lining up with each other. Just begging NQ to go up there. Boom, look at all these equal highs that we have. Equal high. Boom, and even if you want to take this trade, even if you're like, oh, well, I'm not sure of the bias. I'm not sure. We have a BPR right there. Boom, boom, boom. We probably have a fucking SMT. Let's see here. I don't think we do. So technically you wouldn't take this, but if you wanted to, I guess you could. Just target the equal high. Boom. Oh wait, just kidding. We already replayed this day. Am I an idiot? The fuck? Anyways, but boom, boom. I feel like I'm a retard. What the hell's going on? Wait for it to craft an SMT, which it just did. This one didn't get taken. This one did, but you can see it better on the 1 minute. But you want to hop down to the 1 minute before you enter, because then you get more precise entries. But right here, you can see that there's an SMT. Boom. Whatever you want to enter off of, you can add IFVG or whatever. But then you're just gonna target the next low or the next fair value. Yeah, I'd probably put my TP down here. But yeah, and then you buy your mom a new Louis bag type of shit, if you feel me, brother. But just to prove that this is real and this is good, I'm randomly go to another day and I'll walk you through another trade. This is gonna be the last example. I'm literally not doing anything differently, right? Okay. This is 9 a.m. So coming into the morning, we have this gap again. A 4 hour, nothing on 4 hour, 30 minute. We have another gap. So we're in gaps. So we're expecting move out. We are already seeing move out. In this specific situation, you're kind of cooked already because we're already moving out of it. But you can wait for a retrace of some sort that we just apparently didn't get. Oh, like right there. Just kidding. Well, no retracement on here, and there was no SMT as well. So unfortunately, you wouldn't take this trade. But sometimes that shit happens, bruh. I'd rather follow my rules and oh wait, just kidding. We can wait for 10 a.m. I'm sorry. Holy crap. Sorry, bro. Just woke up. It's my biggie. Alright. Well, we can wait for 10 a.m. Just kidding. We're waiting for 10 a.m. Third 15-minute fair value gap. Boom. Go back up. Gonna target those lows when we go into that. I accidentally went too far. I'm sorry. Okay, we're also in a 5-minute gap. Go over here. There's SMT on the gaps. Okay, this is actually a thing that happens as well. So you see how NQ reacts off this gap, but ES reacts off this one. That's an SMT, and you'd sell that shit. Well, technically, you would wait for a reaction. Like, see, I entered too early. You'd wait for a reaction like that. But now you can target down here because ES made a higher high, NQ made a lower low. Trail, whatever you want to do, full TP right there. Bam, that's the model. If you want to practice, just go back into replay mode, etc. like that. And yeah, bro, just start cooking. The shit is actually OP.